Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kinect sensor for use with a PC. First, you'll need to gather your hardware, including a Kinect sensor and the correct adapter for your computer. Then, we'll walk through installing the essential software and drivers. This initial setup is crucial for connecting your Kinect to your Windows system, allowing it to communicate properly and function as intended for various applications. Once you have your hardware ready, connect the Kinect adapter to a USB 3.0 port on your computer. Next, plug your Kinect sensor into the adapter. After the physical connection, download and install the official Kinect for Windows Software Development Kit. This SDK provides the drivers and tools needed for your PC to recognize and interact with the Kinect sensor, enabling its full functionality. It's important to understand that Kinect Sports is an exclusive title for Xbox consoles and does not have a native PC version. Therefore, you cannot directly install and play it on your computer. If you own an Xbox console, you might explore streaming the game to your Windows PC using the Xbox app. This allows you to view and control the game on your PC screen, but the game itself still runs on your Xbox. While Kinect Sports isn't a PC game, your Kinect sensor can still be incredibly useful. Many PC applications and games are specifically designed to utilize Kinect for motion tracking, gesture control, or even development. You can find a range of third-party software that leverages the sensor's capabilities, offering unique interactive experiences beyond the original Xbox titles. This opens up a world of possibilities for your Kinect on PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.